List some important events in month of May. 1st May, International Labor Day or International Workers' Day. 2nd May, World Tuna Day. 3rd May, Press Freedom Day. 4th May, Coal Miners Day, International Firefighters Day. 5th May, World Laughter Day. 6th May, International No Diet Day. 7th May, World Athletic Day, World Asthma Day. 8th May, World Red Cross Day, World Thalassemia Day. 10th May, World Lupus Day. 11th May, National Technology Day. 12th May, International Nurses Day or Mother's Day. Mother's Day celebrated in second Sunday of May. 15th May, International Day of Families. 16th May, National Dengue Day, International Day of Light. 17th May, World Telecommunication Day or World Hypertension Day or National Endangered Species Day. 18th May, World AIDS Vaccine Day or International Museum Day, Armed Forces Day. 21st May, National Anti-Terrorism Day. 22 May, International Day of Biological and Diversity. 23rd May, World Turtle Day. 24th May, National Brothers Day is celebrated. 25th May, Africa Day is celebrated. Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like our video. Thank you so much.